Hi guys, here's another video. I've got this Steepletone NR881 radio cassette. Just having a look at the switch for the band. You see it just keeps spinning there. It's stuck in FM mode. So I'm going to be having a look at that today. First thing I'm going to do is remove this back cover, and this is a remake of a vintage 1934 radio. So I'm just removing the power supply here so I can show you what the problem is. Like I said, you can't get any selection, only on the band, only FM. It's stuck on FM. This is the tape set I'm moving there. I've got another video on that where I have issues, but let me show you the problem here. This selector is broken. It's supposed to pull the switch across, but it doesn't. It's broken. So I'm gonna have to see if I can repair that somehow. That little arm is supposed to be like a tongue, and you see I push the switch across, it'll go this way, but because the arm's broken, it'll go back, so it's stuck in FM mode. Okay, first thing I've got to do is remove this PCB off the back, and I'll just pull it out of the way. And if you can see here, this is the selector, which I'm removing here. Just 2 screws, and get that removed so I can show you. You can see there the arm's broken off there. It's supposed to be like a fork or tongue, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this piece of metal here. Just get it hot. I'm going to try and melt it into the section that's broken off. Let me show you here. There's a part here. So what I'm going to do is see if I can get this little piece of metal which I've cut off, the little rod, and just get it hot so I can melt it into where the tongue's broken off. See there? Just hold that there while it goes cold and hardens. And then I'll just show you that. I've got it inserted. So all I've got to do now, I'm just going to wrap a bit of black tape around it. And I'll just use this screwdriver to wind the tape around it, just so I can get the same thickness on each side. As you can see there, you see the pin where I've melted it into the plastic, and that's what it's looked like. Just putting the assembly back together. That's the repair I've done, you can see there. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with that, so it's just a matter of reinserting it back into the PCB, which I'm doing here. Just pop it in here, and then it's just 2 screws which I removed earlier, which I've done. Okay, I'll pop the PCB back in and just give it a test. Put the plug in so I can show you. This is what it looks like inside. So it grabs the switch now, so that's medium wave, that's a long wave,
and it was authentic and actually audible, and that
medium wave,
the landlords out there that are perhaps less scrupulous don't.
And that's FM. So that switch seems to be working okay.
Well, I think that the Green Party, as I said, they're just.
I think people need to see
that seems to be working fine as a selector.
Part of the younger generation.
So what I'll do is I'll finish putting the unit back together, put the power supply back in, and put the black cover back on. Lively. Okay, so that's done. Let me just test it. Just plug it in once again.
The country for 24 years. White House
And I'll
says it's
show you.
concerned about
1%, the slowest increase since June of last year.
hoping to encourage people to eligible
As you
haven't
can see,
yet
now I'm
registered.
able to select
Still
Fixtures are out.
different
Newly
bands.
promoted Ipswich will host Liverpool on the opening
Long
weekend
wave.
in mid-August.
8,000 jobs.
Medium wave.
The actor played the role
That's
of a
FM.
veteran driver who's
I'm pretty
returning to the
satisfied with
career
that.
following a long
So
absence.
with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.